Guns are both for war and peace, and it all depends on how you use it. You can use it to protect your country and achieve peace, but there are consequences that must be paid for the thing that one does. But if you think carefully, doesn't gun result more harm than peace? Guns or firearms were made to protect us from harm. A never-ending war is always present. We fight for our right and they fight with their might, or vice versa. But with so much death, because of these killing instruments, will we achieve peace? Humans nowadays are very abusive and selfish to the lives of other people who aren't important to them, are easy to kill just like killing rodents, which is why the government made a constitutional rule about guns. For me, guns should not be legalized to everyone but only to those who are authorized. It should not be taken lightly because it is the machine that can either save or end anybody's life. Because it all depends on how the person thinks and how they will use it, for war or for peace. Government should be strict on firearms protection so that it could remove all illegal firearms and it may not be used to harass or cause death. The government should act to the people that sell guns, to the person that doesn't have the license to wield a gun. We should think rationally that killing isn't the answer to our problems. We should also know that killing a person wouldn't make us a better person. We should use it of need and use it to protect and not to take other people's lives. Using guns for bad intentions is a sinful choice. We should be rational. Killing would only result to another way. That's why the world always have a never-ending war. We are to use firearms for self-defense and not for killing or taking other lives. We should put an end to the never-ending war with the proper negotiation, not other war. So everyone will achieve peace and harmony.